In this video I will be managing my files. To create a folder, you find the area you want the folder to be located in and right click and press New and Folder. Here you rename the folder and press Enter. If you want to delete the folder, you right click and press Delete and press Yes, and this will be sent to the recycling bin. Here in the recycling bin is all the items which you have deleted, which include folders and files, and if you empty it means that these are permanently deleted, and if you restore it means that they go back to their original place. So I want to empty the recycling bin. If you want to create a file, you right click in your documents and go to, for example, Word document, and you can rename this, and you've created a file in which if you open it will come up in Windows Office. To back up a folder, for example, if I want my ICT folder to be backed up, I simply right click and press Copy and go to my USB or other storage device, right click and press Paste. This would mean that my folders and everything in the folder is backed up on my USB, just in case anything goes wrong with your documents or it is deleted. Alternatively, you can go to Start, Control Panel, and under Systems and Security, back up your computer. Here on Windows, you can back up your computer by going a few simple steps, and you can back up and restore your files. In this video I will be installing my printer. So firstly I must insert into the USB port the printer, and once Windows has recognised this, it will appear with an icon which says Installing Driver Device Software, as you can see here. This will install any utility software which is for my printer, which is called PhotoSmart C4600 series, and Windows will automatically download any disk drives needed for the printer without me putting any disks in there. It will additionally install any other programs or software which will allow your printer to be most effective. For example, my printer has a scanning device on it, so this will install software for the scanner. It will install photo editing software, as well as any other software needed for the printer which you have purchased. Once it says your device is ready to use, you can then start using your printer. I am now going to be using antivirus software to protect my computer from catching any viruses. I am going to be using Adware, which is a free internet security software which can catch any viruses on your computer, protect them and delete the viruses on your computer. Firstly, you should do an update to check that your computer is up to date so that it can catch any new viruses available. And so software is already up to date. Press OK. It would be recommended that you do check this every so often so that your computer is up to date with the current version of Adware. You can then scan the system so your computer checks to see if there are any viruses. If there are, it will allow you to delete them or request an action, and you can view any viruses which are on your computer. You can then stop the scan, and as you can see, there are no current viruses on my computer. If there are, there would be under action, you'd be able to delete these viruses such as Trojan, which are very harmful to your computer because it can not only delete the files and folders on your computer, but it can also look at personal documents such as address, phone number, find out very personal credit card information, and so on.